It's all about the inner try except blocks. Okay, good. See, coming to the inner try except block, I want test your knowledge. Sir, no, yeah. Now testing job. Ratan sir taking testing job. I want to test your knowledge. Hey, up to now we done try except finally else block. These all the points, right? I would like to check how much knowledge you gather, like how much knowledge you are gain. Sir, no, yeah. Just testing job, right? I will test your knowledge based on the inner try except blocks. Then we'll get the more clarity on what inner try except block, right? That's it. So to test your knowledge, simply observe carefully, note down parallelly. Don't waste the time. Sir, no, yeah. Just to take the points. Just write the statement 1. Just write the points, same points. Statement 2. Okay. Then outer try. Outer try contains statement 3, and it contains statement 4. This is called inner try. Inner try colon. Here you can write the statement 5. You can write the statement 6. This is called inner except. Inner except is contains what the value. Come on here. Inner except. Try except. You can write the statement 7. You can write the statement 8. So try except. For the outer try, here you can write the else finally also, but length is increased, right? I hope you know the points. Here for the outer try, you can write the outer except. Outer except, this is assume the default except. Here you can write the statement 9. Here you can write the statement 10. In the inner except, I write the try except block once again. Try of statement 11. You can write the statement 12. So here also you can write the except block once again. Except block of statement 13 and statement 14. This continuation you can write here. Up to 14 statements, right? Okay, na? Good. Just to take the statement, that's it. Don't write anything. Just take the statements, that's it. So then after except block, I can take the else block. Else of statement 15, statement 16. Then I take the finally block. The finally block, you can write the statement 17. You can write the statement 18. The last one, rest of the application. See, this is the first code. This is the rest of the application. What is the rest of the application? Statement 19, statement 20. How many statements here? 20 statements, right? At least you'll get some clarity, right? Good. The point here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Except block 9, 10. Try statement 11, 12. Except 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that's it. I will try to give some cases. First, to take the case 1, pause the video, write the output, then start the second case. Yes or no? Yeah? Good. What the case 1 is, there is no exception in above example. Here there is no exception actually. If there is no exception here, then how many statements will be executed? Tell me. No exception here. Write the case 1, no exception in above example. Okay, then write the output. Pause the video, then you can check the output. What is the output? Tell me here. 1 will be executed, 2 will be executed, 3 will be executed, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 will be executed because try blocks are automatically executed, right? Up to 6 will be executed. After 6, any exception is there in the try blocks here? No, right? I said 15, 16 will be executed, 17, 18 will be executed, 19, 20 will be executed, normal termination. Yes or no? I am repeating the case once again. No exception in above example. If there is no exception in above example, then what? Statement 1 executed, 2 executed, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then control goes to else block 15, 16. Because there is no exception, right? Else block will be executed. Then final block 17, 18, 19, 20. Sir, no, yeah? That's it. That's the case 1. And case 2. Exception rise in the statement 2. Note on the case 2. What the case 2 I said? Exception rise in statement 2. Then what is the output? If exception rise in statement 2, tell me here. I'm saying answer. Statement 2 means what? Statement 1 executed. Statement 2 exception raised. So this is out of try, out of the try blocker, inside the try blocker, outside is the try block. Abnormal termination, right? Yeah, abnormal termination means finally block executed or not executed? Not executed. Why? Control is not entered in try, right? So in this example, if exception rise in the statement 2, the output will be the statement 1 abnormal termination. Yes or no? Yeah? Good. Case number 3. I'm repeating third case number 3. Here just I'm reference, I can read the cases. Case number 3 we're discussing. What is the case number 3? Tell me. Exception raised in the statement 3, corresponding except block is matched. Exception raised in the statement 3, corresponding except block will be matched. Tell me, in this case what is the output? Corresponding except block will be matched. Then what is the output? Tell me. See, statement 3 means what? 1, 2 will be printed. This is outer text, outer try. Outer try means what happened here? Outer except block will be matched, right? Yes or no? Outer try means what? Outer except. Outer except means 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is a try block, right? Automatically executed. 9, 10, 11 and 12. Else executed or not executed? Not executed. Why? Exception is there, right? Finally block always execute. 17, 18. Yes or no? 19, 20 rest of the application, right? The remaining could execute or not executed? Executed. Because except block is matched normal termination, right? That's it. Tell me, what is the case number 3? Check the case number 3. Exception raised in the statement 3, except block is matched, right? Then what is the output here? 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20. Normal termination, right? That's it. Case number 4. Exception raised in the statement 4. Exception raised in the statement 4. Except block is not matched. Except block is what? Not matched. Then write the output. Pause the video, right? Writing pausing the video or not pausing the video? Huh? Just pause the video, that's better. Clear? Huh? Good. What I'm saying, see, I'm uploading every video in YouTube, okay? So try to get the knowledge. Java videos are there, Python, later I moved to AngularJS and all. Hibernate, Spring, everything. I decided my career, everything, just I want to share my knowledge, that's it. Yes or no? I just am sharing knowledge, that's it. Then what is the point, conclusion I said here? Exception raised in the statement 4, except is not matched. Except is not matched means normal termination, abnormal termination, obviously. Abnormal termination, right? Abnormal termination means then what is the output? 1, 2, 3 will be executed. Abnormal termination. Before abnormal termination, 17, 18 will be executed. That's it. Rest of the application execute, not executed. Not executed. Why? Abnormal termination, right? Yes or no? That's it. Good. Next to case number 5. Exception raised in statement 5. The corresponding except block will be matched. I'm repeating once again case. Exception raised in statement 5. Corresponding except block will be matched. Then pause the video, write the answers, right? Good. Write the case normal and abnormal, normal termination or abnormal termination also. You'll get more clarity. Then tell me what is the point here? Exception raised in statement 5. Corresponding except block matched or not matched? What I said here, matched. Okay, matched. Is it matched? Then what is the output here? Then what is the output here? Matched means inner try exception raised. Inner try exception raised means inner except block will be matched. Inner except, right? Then in this case, what is the data here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exception raised. So up to 4 only printed. The control goes to except. 7 and 8 will be printed. 7 and what? 8 will be printed. After 7 and 8, 7 and 8. This except block is not executed anyhow. Else block executed or not executed? Not executed because exception is there. Finally block 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm repeating once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exception. Except block is matched 7, 8. Then what? 17, 18, 19, 20. Normal or abnormal termination? Normal termination. Why? Except block is unmatched, right? That's it. Case number 6. Exception raised in the statement 6. Exception raised in statement 6. The corresponding except is not matched. Corresponding except is what? Not matched. But outer except is matched. See, exception raised in statement 6. Statement 6 in the sense inner try. Inner try means first priority goes to what? Inner catch. Come on here, catch. Ratan sir, Java developer, right? That is sometimes some user catch. But the point here, except, right? That's it. See, in the try block, we have the exception statement 6, right? Statement 6 means first priority goes to inner except. Inner except, any exception is there here? What I said, inner except is matched or not matched? Not matched, right? Not matched means first priority goes to inner except. If inner except is not matched, control goes to outer except. Control goes to what? Outer except, right? Then outer except will be executed. Then you will get the normal termination, right? I'm repeating once again. Exception raised in statement 6. Inner except is not matched. Outer except is matched. Inner except is not matched, but outer except is what? Matched. Then what is output? Tell me. What is output here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be 6 exception, up to 5 only printed. Then the 7, 8 not executed. 9 and outer except is matched, right? 9, 10, 11 or 12 is printed up to. After 12, 15, 16 not executed. Finally 17, 18 executed. 19, 20 also executed. Why? You will get normal termination, right? Except block is matched, right? Not inner except, outer except is matched. Very clear, huh? That's it. Total 10 cases are there. Case number 7. What is case number 7? What is case number 7? This case are little bit okay, big cases. Note down the case first. Try to analyze the case. Write the answer. Okay. The point case number 7 is, write the case. Exception raised in the statement 5. Exception raised in the statement 5. What do you see? In the classroom no students, but I'm feeling, right? I'm thinking, okay, you guys are writing, so while writing you have to give slowly, right? Come on here, feeling important. Try block, exception raised in the statement 5. Exception raised in what? Statement 5. Except block is matched. While executing the except block, exception raised in statement 7. While executing except block, exception raised in what? Statement 7, right? Good. Then outer except block is matched. Say exception raised in the except block means control goes to outer except, right? Obviously. Inner try, inner except, then outer except, obviously. I'm repeating once again case, you can check it. Exception raised in the statement 5. Except is matched. While executing except, statement 7 exception raised. The outer except block will be matched. While executing outer except, exception raised in statement 11. While executing outer except, exception raised in statement 11, comma, the inner except block will be matched. The inner except block will be matched. While executing inner except, exception raised in statement 13. Exception raised in statement 13. I'm repeating the entire case once again, you can check it. Exception raised in the statement 5, except is matched. While executing except, exception raised in statement 7, the outer except is matched. While executing outer except, exception raised in statement 11, the inner except block will be matched. While executing inner except, exception raised in statement 13. Just pause the video and write the code. Write the output, right? Good. Now check the output here once. Exception raised statement 5 is said. 5 I said means 1, 2, 3, 4 will be executed, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 will be executed. Then 5 exception raised. Okay, control goes to except. 7 also exception raised, I think. So this 6 is not executed, 8 is not executed. Then control goes to outer except is matched, right? If outer except is matched, 9 is printed and 10 is printed. Sir, no, yeah. 9 is printed and what? 10 is printed. Then 11 exception raised. So 12 is not executed anyhow. Control goes to except block. 30 is exception raised. 40 is not executed. Okay. Then else block not executed because number of exceptions, right? Else block is not. Final block will be executed 17, 18. Finally, exception is normal termination, abnormal termination. Exception there in the statement 13. Statement 13 means what? Except block. Except block exception is normal abnormal termination. Abnormal termination. Abnormal termination means then what happened here? The abnormal termination means what happened? Abnormal termination, right? Rest of the application will be not executed. Then what is our final output? I will tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 17, 18, abnormal termination. Clear? Good. Case number 18. 8. Check this case at least. Exception raised in statement 6. Exception raised in statement 6. corresponding catch except block will be matched. While executing exception raising statement 8, exception raising statement 8, the outer except block will be matched. While executing outer exception raising statement 12, exception raising statement 12, the inner except block is matched. While executing inner exception raising statement 14, exception raising statement 14. That's it. I'm repeating case once again, you can check it. Exception raising statement 6, except block will be matched. Exception raising statement 8, then except block will be matched. Exception raising statement 12, the inner except block will be matched. Exception raising statement 14. Clear? That's it. You can please pause the video, you can write the output and you can check the output now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 means up to 5 will be executed, right? Up to 5. Inner except is matched. Exception raising statement 8. 8 means 7 will be executed. Then outer will be matched. 9, 10. 11 is printed. 12 exception. Control goes to acceptor. 14 exception. It means 13 is printed. So finally 14 exception means exception is there in inner except. Inner except means normal termination, abnormal termination. Abnormal termination. Just before abnormal termination, which block will be executed? Finally block will be executed, right? That's it. Clear? That's it. I'm repeating once again output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 17, 18, abnormal termination. Clear? That's it. Last two cases are easy. Exception raised in statement 15. Exception raised in statement, otherwise 16 assume. Or better write the 16. Exception raised in statement 16. Then what is the output? It means here there is no exception, right? There is no exception, then only control goes to else block. Exception statement 16, right? Then what is the output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15, 16 abnormal termination, right? That's it. See, before abnormal termination finally executed or not? Obviously executed. Statement 16 means normal termination, abnormal termination. Abnormal termination. Abnormal termination means rest of the application is not executed, obviously. Rest of the application is not executed, but else block code will be executed, right? Like final block code will be executed, right? That's it. Exception raising statement 16, then what is the output here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tell me, 15, 15, 17, 18, abnormal termination. That's it. The last case, case number 10. Exception raising statement 18. Exception raising statement 18. Then what is the output? Tell me. Statement 18 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No exception. 15, 16 also executed. Because there is no exception, right? Then 17 will be executed. Then 18 exception means normal termination, abnormal termination. Abnormal termination. Abnormal termination means finally rest of the application executed or not executed? Not executed, right? That's it. Clear? That's it. That's about what? 10 case. 11th case also you can write. Or 11th case here. Exception raising statement 20 directly. Exception raising statement 20. 20 means what happened here? Remaining no exceptions, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try blocks are automatically executed. 15, 16 because there is no exception. 17, 18 always executed. 19 executed. 20 exception, right? Then abnormal termination. Clear? Total how many cases we done? 11 cases. After this much analyzation, still if you have doubts regarding try except finally khatam. No use. Yes or no, yaar? How much explanation done? Hope clear, right? That's all about the inner try except block. Then we'll check some practicals regarding inner try except blocks, right? Now we'll think about the extra try catches, right? Coming to the next try except block, sorry. See, coming to the next try except, in the try block you can declare the try, you can declare the except, and you can declare the finally also, no problem. Otherwise you can declare try except finally. See, try except you can write the else also. Inside the try we can write the try except else finally. This is called inners, right? You can go for the outer except. In the outer except also you can write what? Try except finally also, else you can write the finally also. Clear? That's it. So these are called inner. So inside the try you can write one more try also, no problem. Sir, no, yeah. At last is what? Next one is the finally block. In the finally block also you can write the try and except, right? Like that. This is called what? Next try excepts. Okay. So I will do one example regarding next try except. You can check it. See, go to the others. You can go for the Python. See in the try block. This is outer try, right? Outer try of I want to convert the integer format. I want to take the input from the keyboard and user like enter a number. He is entered some number. Store the number into which variable here? N variable, right? That's it. Simply if you want you can print the message here. The printer. This is my which block here? Outer try block, right? That's it. This is my outer try block. This is my outer try block. Next one is what? Good. This is outer try. Inside the outer try you can write the inner try. In the inner try I can write the print of. Tell me, print of. Print of simply can write the message inner try. Okay, inner try simply can write the print of 10 plus Ratan. 10 plus Ratan is valid, invalid here? Invalid. We will get which error here? Type error, right? You can write the except block here. Except of print of, then tell me here ratanit.com. That's it. Clear? If you want you can write the else block also. The print statement here simply can write the no exception. I will write only one example. That is big example. You can try to understand that code. If you want you can write the final block also, no problem. Okay, that's it. Next one is what? Except block. In the except block we will write the arithmetic error. You will write here arithmetic error. That's it. In arithmetic error here simply can write the print message. Print message 10 by 2. I will write 10 by 5 otherwise. Good. Here you can go for the else block. In the else block you can write the print message, right? Print of no exception, you can write message like this. The last one you can write the finally block also. The finally block, the print of. Let's see, after checking this example you can go with the cases of try except finally, right? Again some cases, 10 cases. Slowly check the video, my video, and you can go with the finally block. All the cases actually. So this is my which block here? Finally block, right? That's it. Yes or no? Yeah? Good. That's all about your try, inner try excepts, right?